Valley News Live Storm Team Weather Alert.
And good afternoon, everybody. I'm meteorologist Justin Fanfrell in the Valley News Live Weather Center with a quick weather update. We are seeing some strong storms across the region. Here's a look at where they are right now. They're in a line from just off to the south of Roseau and Baudette, stretching back down toward the Thief River Falls area and getting to just north of Fargo and then out toward Oaks and Gwinner. The strongest portion of the line is in our far southern and western counties where a nickel-sized hail, we'll say penny to nickel-sized hail, and wind gusts 40 to 50 miles per hour are possible. And they do, they're still kind of strong as you make your way into portions of northwestern. And we just got a severe thunderstorm warning, so let's read this off live right now from the National Weather Service. Severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Norman County, southeastern Polk County, and northwestern Mahnomen County. This is until 5:15 for the possibility of 1-inch hail and 60-mile-per-hour winds. That again is until 5:15. So if you do live between Ada and Crookston and Fertile and Mahnomen, be prepared for some strong winds and damaging strong hail and strong winds damaging hail. Now, there is a possibility of funnel clouds as this line makes its way through. We have reports of funnel clouds up and down this line. Now, these funnel clouds are usually weak, but every once in a while they could reach the ground. So if you do see one and you're ahead of this line of thunderstorms, take cover immediately. So we do have that one severe thunderstorm warning just north of Ada and some stronger storms into the Oaks, Lisbon, and Lidgerwood area, and the threat of funnel clouds is there through the afternoon. We'll keep you updated as we go through the afternoon into this evening, as we do have a severe weather threat lasting through the next, say, 5 to 6 hours. Until then, we'll send you back to regular programming.
This has been a Valley News Live Storm Team Weather Alert.
In here at a 14, had a speedy little shot there, but just drops it in, holds it out. Boom, 18 under.
When you finally stop working.
This is a Valley News Live Storm Team Weather Alert.
And good afternoon, everybody. Meteorologist Justin Fanfrell here in the Valley News Live Weather Center with a severe weather update. A couple of severe thunderstorms. The warning's in progress right now. Let's take a look at where they are. We have a severe thunderstorm warning. This is for southwestern Richland and southeastern Sargent County. This is until 5:45 p.m. Just off to the south of the Lidgerwood area, a storm that is nearly stationary, producing possibly 1-inch hail and 60-mile-per-hour winds. We also have this severe thunderstorm warning up here for portions of northeastern Norman, southeastern Polk, and northwestern Mahnomen County. That is until 5:15 p.m. Also possibly quarter-sized hail and 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts from this. We do have lines of strong thunderstorms stretching all the way from the just off to the east of, or just off to the west of the Baudette area, near Red Lake, just off to the south of Thief River Falls, continuing to just off to the south of Fargo, approaching Gwinner and getting into Brown County, South Dakota. And at any time, these storms could contain penny-sized to possibly even nickel-sized hail and 40 to 50-mile-per-hour wind gusts. And also, we do have a threat up and down this line of possible funnel clouds. We've gotten multiple reports of funnel clouds. So if you do see a funnel cloud, get inside and take your severe thunderstorm precautions immediately. We're going to continue to watch this as we go through the afternoon and into the early evening and cut in as it warrants. And we'll have a full report tonight on Valley News Live at 6. Until then, back to regular programming.
This is a priceless. This is a Valley News Live Storm Team Weather Alert.
And good afternoon, everybody. I'm meteorologist Justin Fanfrelling, Valley News Live Weather Center. We still have a severe thunderstorm warning in effect and some strong thunderstorms up and down our viewing area. Let's take a look at where we are seeing the severe weather right now. We do have a severe thunderstorm warning. This is until 6 o'clock for southeastern Polk, northern Mahnomen, and central Clearwater County. Quarter-sized hail and 60-mile-per-hour winds are possible if you live between the Foston, Clearbrook, and Bagley area. Take your severe thunderstorm precautions right now. We also have storms up and down our viewing area from Baudette down toward just off to the east of Detroit Lakes in the south of Fargo and north of Sisseton. At any time, these storms could produce penny to even as large as nickel-sized hail and 30 to 50-mile-per-hour winds, which is just below severe limits. So if you do hear thunder, get inside and away from windows. We also have the possibility of funnel clouds up and down this line. We've gotten multiple reports of funnel clouds, so if you do see one, get inside and take shelter. We'll have a full report on Live at 6. Until then, back to regular programming.
This has been a Valley News Live Storm Team Weather Alert. For continued This is a Valley News Live Storm Team Weather Alert.
And good evening, everybody. I'm meteorologist Justin Fanfrelling, the Valley News Live Weather Center, continuing to track strong to severe storms across our region right now. We do have one severe thunderstorm warning. This is in effect for northern Hubbard, south central Beltrami, and southeastern Clearwater County. In this polygon here, severe thunderstorm warning until 7:45 p.m. with quarter-sized hail possible and 60-mile-per-hour winds. This is in an area from, say, the Bemidji area to just off to the south of Bemidji into portions of Hubbard County. So if you live in these areas, take your severe thunderstorm precautions right now. Small interior room away from windows, preferably a basement. The line does stretch from the Baudette area toward Bemidji with some heavy rain and some lightning. Also, we have some stronger storms now moving through Detroit Lakes to Fergus Falls right now. This line is continuing to move off to the east. It will track through Otter Tail, Becker County, Wadena, Hubbard, and Grant County over the next 1 to 2 hours. And we do have multiple significant weather advisories on these, and those are the step below severe thunderstorm warnings. So we could have 30 to 50-mile-per-hour winds from these and pea to dime-sized hail along with the heavy rain and lots of lightning. The good news is it looks like these storms are starting to weaken as they move into portions of north central Minnesota, but we still could see a strong thunderstorm. Now, if you live from Detroit Lakes, Fergus Falls, and Elbow Lake and points off to the east, the storms still have to get to you, so be prepared for some strong to possibly severe storms over the next couple of hours, but it looks like this line is making its way out of the viewing area. Looking back off to the west, we do have some post-frontal showers. This activity is not going to be severe. It's actually getting drier and cooler behind the front. So as soon as we get past this line of storms that is moving through Lakes Country right now, it looks like we are going to be good for the evening. We'll have a full report tonight at 9 and 10, and we'll cut into programming if warranted. Until then, back to regular programming.
This has been a Valley News Live Storm Team Weather Alert. For continued coverage, join the Storm Team online or download